Welcome to T-Mart Affiliate Program. This video will tell you how to use it. Click Affiliate Program button. If you are a member of T-Mart Affiliate Program, please sign in. If not, please click the Join Us for Free button. After completing the registration information, please tick the option of Join T-Mart Affiliate Program and click Submit to be a T-Mart publisher. You will get 2% commission the moment you become a member of T-Mart Affiliate Program. You can apply for 3% commission when you submit the URL to let us know where you promote our website. When your monthly sale amount reaches $200, you can get 4.5% commission. When your monthly sale amount reaches $2,000, you can get 6% commission. When the monthly sale amount reaches $6,000, you can get 8% commission. There are 3 methods to promote T-Mart. T-Mart Product Promotion. Special products and text banner link, click Get Code button. You will get the T-Mart tracking code. Attach the link to promote websites such as Facebook and Google+ and forums. When the customer enters T-Mart by clicking your affiliate link and places an order, the order will be kept in earning reports. The next month, we will pay the previous commissions to every publisher via PayPal account. Welcome to T-Mart Affiliate Program. We are waiting for you.